channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper shuriken. So here it is. We need colored paper, marker, and a scissor. So let's start. Let's set aside this marker and scissor. Pick whatever you want. Alright. You need 2 colored paper. If you want white paper, it's okay. I'm gonna get white paper and the beautiful color. Let's see what a beautiful color it is. Let me see here. I have none. No? Oh, no. I have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one because it's so... It looks like white. No, it's not. Let's set aside this one. Okay? Okay, set aside this white first. So, you need to fold this like this. So, you have a square. Okay, there, and bam, boom, boom, bam. And there. Get your scissor and cut it here. Here, like this. Not here, like this. Oh, there is a white. Okay. Be careful, ask an adult to help you cut the paper. Because if you don't ask an adult, your finger will be gone. There you go. And trash this one. Here you go. Open it. And then fold it like this. Oh, let's set aside this one. Sorry. Fold it like this. Like that. Fold. After that, fold like this. Do you see this line? This one should be here. Down. There you go, fold. And do it in the other side. Okay. You can use bond paper, any kind of papers. Like that, right? And then fold it like this. Do you see this one? You should like this. See this? Fold. Do you take this one, and fold it like this. Like a triangle. And then, okay, like this, right? Don't do it the other side, like this. Okay, like that. Okay? And then, do you see this? Like this, like this, like this. And fold it like this. Like a triangle. And then, like this. Okay, fold that again. And do it like this. It should look like this. Or maybe like this, or this. Or this. Should be like that. And then fold it like this. Okay. Fold it gently. Otherwise, it will rip. Like that. Do it on the other side. Like that. It should be like this, or this. I don't know. And this. And do the another paper. Okay, that's like... Fold it like this again. Gently fold it, otherwise it will rip again. Then cut it. Okay, I'm shivering. Okay, cut it just like this. Okay, trash. Repeat it again. Repeat and repeat. Do it again. Ow, my foot hurts. Ow, ow. Then fold it like this. Do it again, guys, not like this. this. Especially. Oh my goodness. Like this, okay? And do this again. There you go. Do a triangle. Do a triangle at the side. There you go. Oopsie daisy. And like this. There you go. Press, press. Then get the other one. Put it like this. Like the colored paper should be like this. Like this. And then open this one. Put it here. Open this one. Open this one. After that, fold it like this. This one should be here. Oh yeah, I forgot. This one should be here first, second, and third. And this one should be right here. Here. That hold like this. Gently hold. Here you go. Here's your shuriken. Woo! So cool. And get the marker. Pick whatever you want, like pink, black, red, anything. I want, my favorite color is pink though. So I'll get this one. Yep, this one. I want sweet. Sweet. If you want cursive like this, ask an adult to do it. Then close this. And there. You can put it a heart if you want. There you go. Here's our shuriken. Okay. Sorry guys. Here's our shuriken. Here it is, our shuriken. It's good. Look at this. So cool. If you want all white or all black, you can color it. I'll be right back. Come here, come here. Sorry. I'm being grown up. I look phone face. Here it is, our shuriken. Okay guys, I hope you like my video, and please subscribe, click the bell button, and share. Love you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.